I'm in my brother's place. Look at the bougainvillea. It's fabulous. Right. Thank you so much for being here. Look, it's so beautiful. Thank you. I already visited my son in another place and I left home very early. It's so pretty. Look at the chico. The chico has fruits and the mango is in flowers. And this is what you see across the golf course. I've been out already. I started walking while it's still dark, and there are already many people walking in the street doing their exercise. Here, there's my daughter-in-law. My sister Elsa, Ronald just went inside. That's right. It's so comfortable. It's so relaxing to be here. Thank you very much. That's my baby brother too. They didn't know I'm coming. They were still asleep when I knock on the gate. Oh, look at the beautiful chico. Do you have chico in your garden? Oh, it's amazing. Yeah. That's the garden setting. They spend time outdoor. And this is the gate. Where's the yellow flower? I think the yellow flower is not flowering today. Yes. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll let you go. You all have a good day, alright? Family time is always the best time.